Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to do a little video on a Toyota vinyl hood scoop cover. It's owned by 4Runner for 5 years now, and every time I drive it, I am blinded by the glare that comes off the hood scoop. My wife doesn't seem to have the same problem, but she's not as tall as I am. Toyota Vinyl does a little video on this, but they do it in the dark, and they do it on a very dirty looking hood. So I figured I would just do a quick little video on how to do it. What you're going to want: spray bottle, mostly water. It's got a couple bottles or a couple drops of dish soap in it just to make a little slip solution. First thing I want to do is make sure your hood is clean. I've done some vinyl before. Anything that's under the vinyl, when you put it on, is permanently going to stay underneath of the vinyl. Last time I really took the time to clean this was a couple years ago. So while I was at it, I clay barred, polished, and after I put this wrap on, I'm going to do a full ceramic coating on the hood. But I just wanted to get it cleaned up a little bit, try to take care of things. But like I said, it's been probably 2 years since I really did any good paint correction on it. Just to start cleaning everything off, want it free of dust. Just going to put a light mist of the soap solution on it. It's nice to put it on your hands too when you're working with any tint or vinyl product. It'll keep it from sticking to you. Just going to peel back the leading edge. As I'm peeling it back, I'm going to spray it. Might not be able to get this all on camera. I think I'm a little out of the frame. And vinyl loves to stick to itself. It'll peel right apart. Just careful that you're not ripping it. I'm just going to gently lay it in the position, knowing that I can pull it back up and slide it around because of the slip solution. Just making sure to line my edges up evenly around the hood scoop. Ideally, you want to start in the middle and work out. Get some of the stuff out of the way. Just going to lightly spray the top down so it moves a little freer. Don't really need them. A credit card will work, but I have a plastic and rubber squeegee. Just going to pinpoint my finger in the center and push a line all the way to the back. All you're trying to do at this point is get air bubbles out. Across the front, set that front edge, knowing that it can be lifted up and moved as needed. Get a little bit of bubble in here at the curve, so I'm just going to go over it with my fingers. Try to really get it tacked down. Going to get another microfiber to pull some of that fluid off. Couple little bubbles in it. Just going to use the squeegee to work them out. Just pushing all the water out. One side's done. Just going to work my way across the other side. Just pushing all the water to the edge. Just going to use a microfiber to absorb it a little better. little bubble forming here. I'm just going to try to push it out with my hand. Get it here down, a little bubble there. Really just want to go over all the edges, making sure any fluid and air is pushed out. There's a little fluid bubble under it. A lot of time those will dry out, but the air is what you want to get out. If you have air bubbles under it, it won't adhese. Not even a word. There's a little mark right here, but there was actually a paint chip there. If you're really OCD, fill the paint chips, blend them in, sand them smooth. A lot of people will wrap older vehicles that aren't in good shape, and it's just about getting a consistent surface to put the wrap down to, because if you have little paint chips and you wrap over it, you're going to see tons of little imperfections and craters. And that is all that's to it. I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit to cure, let the adhesive dry, let the slip solution evaporate, and then I'm going to come back and ceramic coat the whole hood just to give it a layer of protection. Even going to probably ceramic coat over the vinyl. It won't hurt it. Just making sure that no other air bubbles are left. Feels good, looks good. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment. Thanks for watching.